Hello, I am getting ready to pack the suitcases. So before I do, I'm going to do a quick haul showing everything we got. So starting on the right, this is a Haunted Mansion fan I got. It's the creepy wallpaper print. And then this is an Orange Bird fan. I really love Orange Bird. At the Orange Grove, I got this honey sampler pack, chapstick, honey stirrer, and some hot sauce. Animal Kingdom, we played some carnival games. Robert won one, I won the other. At Oga's Cantina, I'm not going to take them out of the box because they're packaged nicely, but the drinks, we got the drinks with the collector mug, and so one of these is a tiki mug of Porg and a tiki mug of Indoor. And then still at Hollywood Studios at Galaxy's Edge, I bought this little monster alien. It's the alien from the trash compactor scene from the original. It was the very first one, right? It's the very first Star Wars.
Wait, was it?
Yeah, I believe it was. And then the Nightmare Before Christmas pillow. These Wishables. They just released these. These are Small World themed, so I got 6 boxes. There's 4 in this series, but there was also a variant. I did a separate video on this, but I was pretty lucky I got the variant, so I actually only have 1 duplicate. And then there's a new doll series called New Moys, and this originated, I believe, in Tokyo Disneyland. And so this little plush has like wire in his arms and legs so you can pose them, and then he will wear these outfits. So this is a cosplay outfit of the Chester Cat, and this is a cosplay outfit of Oogie Boogie, and I got a duplicate to possibly resell in the future. And then this is a Mushu shoulder. I think they're called shoulder pads. So what it is like there's a little magnet that you put underneath your shirt, and then he has a magnet in his butt and he will sit on your shoulder. And at the Japanese pavilion, I got some rice flavor seasoning and some different boxes of candies. And let's see, Downtown Disney, I got these 2 artwork postcards, Orange Bird and Maleficent. Gift card wise, I got at Haunted Mansion, I got these 2 gift cards. I already spent the money on those 2. These are free. Gift cards are normally free. This is a Star Wars gift card at Galaxy's Edge. It comes in this nice little folder. It is a metal gift card. And it is, I'm not going to take it out all the way because I like the little folder, but it's like this silver metal thing. When they first came out with these, when Galaxy's Edge opened, they were like free. I mean, you didn't get them unless you actually put money on the card, but there was no initial fee. But now all of a sudden they're charging $4.99 for the card. So we had to put $100 on it, plus they charge you $4.99, so it was $104.99. I just mentioned that because it's like the first time I've heard of them charging for gift cards. I guess because it's metal, but we have a whole bunch from last trip that they never charged us for. So that's the problem with Disney. They get you hooked to something and then they start charging. It's like, these are wristbands, our magic bands. These were always free for like the last 5 years, but as of now, they're charging an extra surcharge. Do you remember what the surcharge is for these magic bands? I don't know what it is. I think it's like $5 or something. They'll just tack it onto your bill if you want the plain one. They have special printed ones at the at the gift stores for like $39.95. This is my travel folder. I just put all the receipts and all the paper ephemera in it. And then over here is just like at the food festival, some of the items we bought came with like just heavy duty plastic cups that I kept. Like this one, I just washed it, that's why it's wet. It's a cute little cup. And then this cup had chocolate flight in it, and this wooden box that had sake in it. This had a Bloody Mary in it. This had tomato soup. Coaster from Oga's Cantina. Some macaroons from the Epcot France Pavilion booth. When we went to the Orange Grove, we picked up these spicy peanuts. This is spicy flavor and dill pickle flavor. Popcorn bucket. I got this at the Canadian section, so it's maple popcorn. It is so good. And then I got these chips at the China Pavilion. We meant to actually snack on them in the room this week. We bought them the first day, but we never ended up snacking on them. So I'm going to try to carry them onto the flight. Hopefully they don't get squished too much, because nothing worse than a bag of squished potato chips. And this is a tiki mug. This is plastic. This is a sipper from the Polynesian Resort. This is a popcorn bucket we got at Animal Kingdom. It's like a cute little drum. This is a little sipper cup from Galaxy's Edge. There's a frog in the bottom, and it actually lights up. This is pretty cool. This is newer. I think they just got this like within the last couple of months. They did not have this on our last trip. Is that not adorable? So this is the frogs that Jabba the Hutt eats. All right. And then got this today. This is a flute cup from Pandora. Got this the other day. I haven't ate it yet. I'm probably gonna have this for breakfast. It's just a big old macaroon full of raspberries from the French Pavilion. Maybe I'll eat it right now. I don't know. It's smelling really good. Let's see. And then I think that's pretty much it. When we went to the Orange Grove, we did buy oranges, and I brought an extra suitcase because I planned on taking oranges and grapefruits home. So we have this huge bag of oranges and grapes, and I will just shove some clothes around it, and it will get home no problem. We've done this before. You can check food. I'm not going through customs. So when you're flying within the US, yes, you can check food. It's when you travel outside of the US that you cannot. And then this is, I'm not going to take it out of the box. This is a, what do we call it, honey? Snow globe. This is a Madame Leota's snow globe. It's already in a styrofoam container. Don't want to risk breaking it, so it will stay in there. This one he's going to actually carry on the flight. I've checked snow globes before, but Robert is allowed to have 2 bags, his laptop, and a personal item. That's going to be his personal item. I don't want to risk checking it this time, and it's not that big. It's not a huge snow globe. So that's it. That's everything we bought. I'm going to figure out how to fit everything into these 2 suitcases, and then probably go to bed. Tomorrow's going to be another full day. We don't fly out of here till 5:45, so we're going to spend the morning and the afternoon at Hollywood Studios. So, and I don't plan on buying anything else. The reason I bought this today is because I knew this is the only thing I wanted, and I want to be able to pack it. So tomorrow at Hollywood Studios, shouldn't buy anything besides food. And if I do buy anything, I'm going to have to carry it onto the plane. So we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you later.